Hello guys, today we are looking at how to get a Florida driver's license. So if you've never taken a test before, you need to first get a certified course, driver's course. So just search up Florida driver's ed and then choose any one of these courses. It says it's approved. You do ACEable, so just click on one of them and buy it. So you could do like the course, so just put start today and it starts you on the course. And it's pretty easy, and you just finish that. After you finish that, you need to search up the flhsmv.gov, flhsmv.gov. Then go onto the site because it's the Florida's own website for license and other things. So it's taking a second to load, but once we get there, it will show you how to get an appointment. So it says already here, driver's license and ID cards. Just click on, once you finish the course, it will tell you make an appointment. So just go to make an appointment. Then computer's pretty slow today, but after that, choose your location in which you are in, whichever city you are in Florida. I'm gonna say Broward. And then it gives you Broward County's different offices where you can set up an appointment. So I'm just choose the first one. And then you go here, then it shows you the different appointment types. You're gonna be doing the second one, number 2, and then you can like click here to see what you have to bring, like documents. So let's just click on that, and then you could like see whichever one you are. So if you're a citizen, click on that. It shows you what you need, what documents you need. If you're immigrant, click on it. If you're Canadian, click on it. So just whichever one applies to you. Like if you're a citizen, you have to bring one of these, like a passport or a birth certificate, any one of these, proof of social security, and proof of residential address, which would be like a bill or a mortgage. Give me the W-2. Anyways, let's go back to the appointment so we can get our driver's license. Go down, county, office, whichever one's closest to you, and you'll choose one of these, and then you can pick the date. So search available slots, click on it. So Thursday says booked mostly, except for this, so you can click that, or you could just go on to next, which would be right here, next, to show the next week. Or you can like click on here to see next week's, or the 26th. Oh, it says fully booked, so you just gotta play around with that until you can find it. So we'll go back, click on that, click next, then fill these out. Actually, let's if you don't have a driver's license, I thought I clicked the wrong one for a sec. Just put an A, because if it's your first time getting a license. But if you already have one and you're transferring, you put your your ID number in there. And if you, whichever state you're coming from, you'll just put that if you were transferring. But if it's your first one, you just put this and this, fill this out, and then you can get to setting up your appointment. And then just show up there on time, don't get late, and that is how you can take your driver's test. So see what happens, and then it gives you a contact, so you could set that, and then that's how you can get your Florida license. Thank you for watching.